All right, folks, we got a big unboxing today. We're going to be doing the TP-Link Tapo RV30 Plus vacuum and mop in one. This TP-Link's getting into this whole game of robot vacuums, and we're going to do the unboxing for this one. Just before we do that, we'll just kind of look at some specs. It's got 4200 hyper suction for deep, powerful clean. Here's a kind of look on the side of how it looks. So it does have a base station. It's supposed to have a very large bag, and I think they said you don't have to empty it out until 70 days. So that's pretty cool. It's also got dual navigation, so they got that LiDAR and also this gyra type of navigation. So we'll have to take a look at that. Here's what it shows that comes inside it. That's pretty cool. I like the fact that they show this right on the box itself. So this is what we expect to see inside this unit. Let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. Okay, so this is interesting. Use this pad on wood floors and carpets. Okay, so I guess that's where the base station would sit on. Here is the mop that goes onto the back. That's machine washable. Very important user manual. You're gonna need to be able to read that to get this set up. And another user manual here. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the unit itself. Interesting that they went with white. I wonder if this is going to get dirty or look dirty in the future. But here it is, circular design. It's got this black trim on the front. Let's look at the back or the bottom. So here's where the water goes. It's got a brush over here and some wheels, and then the brush. So very cool look. Looks like a standard vacuum. Now let's go and continue. We got filter. We got one of these cleaning brushes to make sure I don't lose that. And then here's the other brush. This is a extra one, I think, if the other one gets ruined. Always need that. Okay, so now the base station itself. Let's take this out. Here it is. Oh, so that's got a nice look. I like this white and black. It looks very, very modern. Now let's just go ahead and open this up. Show you the capacity. So there it is. Bag's already in. Slides right in from the top over there. Like it. Okay, so I'm going to take everything out and then we can kind of see it all organized. Oh, there's one thing here. Is that an extra bag? So I'll take everything and organize it so we can see what it is. Okay, so this is everything that comes in the box for the Tapo RV Plus by TP-Link. Of course, you have the much needed user manual. You have an extra bag, the Tapo RV30 Plus itself with the base station, the cleaning station. You also have a cleaning brush, filter, an extra little spivel thing, and also the mat and a replacement. These are machine washable. So pretty much everything you need to get up and running is right here. The next step was basically plug it in, download the app, and set it up to my home network. But this is just the unboxing, so if you want to know what it comes with, this is what it comes with. Be sure to watch the actual review portion of this review. I'm going to be putting it through the test. Check out both the vacuum section and the mopping. Even though I'm not a fan of these robot mops, they've never really done a good job. I'll still let this one try it out and we'll see if it works, see if it does a good job. And we'll also look at the app features as well. So this concludes the unboxing portion. Be sure to like, subscribe, let your comments below. What do you think is the best robot vacuum out there? Does TP-Link have a chance? Let me know in the comments, and be sure to watch the review. Handy Andy signing out.